Good morning students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, earthquakes. Earthquakes are one of the most hazardous natural phenomena. What is earthquake? Earthquake is a vibration or movement of a part of the earth crust caused by natural or man-made stresses. Focus and epicenter. These terms are closely related with earthquakes. What is focus? Focus is a point of the origin of earthquakes inside the earth. And what is epicenter? The place on the ground surface which is perpendicular to the buried focus and recording the seismic waves for the first time is called epicenter. Look at the instrument. The waves generated by an earthquake are recorded by an instrument. It's called seismograph. This is a picture of a seismograph. Causes of earthquakes. Causes of earthquakes are classified into two categories: natural causes and man-made causes. Natural causes. First point, volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption is one of the main causes of earthquakes. Volcanic earthquakes are caused by gas explosions. Such earthquakes occur either simultaneously with eruption or more commonly in the period preceding an eruption. Tectonic movement. Earthquakes occur when movement of the earth takes place along a line of fracture. It's called fault. Such earthquakes are called tectonic earthquakes. Plate tectonics. Look at the diagram. Earthquakes of high magnitude and deep focus are caused along the convergent plate boundaries because of collision of two convergent plates and consequent subduction of one plate boundary along the Benioff zone. This zone is called subduction zone or Benioff zone. Here mountain buildings, faulting and violent volcanic eruptions cause severe and disastrous earthquakes having the focus at the depth up to 700 km. Shallow focus earthquakes are caused along the constructive plate boundaries or say along the mid-oceanic ridge because the rate of rupture of the crust and consequent movement of plates away from the mid-oceanic ridge. Right? Next cause, anthropogenic factor, means man-made causes. The extraction of minerals, deep underground mining, blasting of rocks by dynamites for construction of roads, dams, nuclear explosions, etc. Look at the map. Distribution of earthquakes in the world. There are three major belts in the world in which the earthquakes frequently occur. First, the Circum-Pacific Belt, convergent plate boundaries. About 66% of the total earthquakes of the world are recorded in this belt. Next, Mid-Atlantic Belt. This belt of earthquakes extends along the mid-oceanic ridge and several islands near the ridge of the Atlantic Ocean. The seafloor spreading is the main cause of earthquakes in this belt. The third one is the mid-continental belt. About 21% of the total earthquakes are recorded in this belt. Okay. Now come to the next point. Effects of earthquakes. Damage and destruction of human establishment and structures like buildings, railway lines, roads, bridges, dams, etc. Loss of human lives, landslides, flash floods, tsunami, building collapse are the effects of earthquake.